Huh. Anything else I should video? I mean, I get the idea that, you know, the flaps all over everywhere are not sticking.
Yeah.
Which is the main problem, I think.
You got cans.
Broken, where it's actually broken.
Yeah.
That may be where the leak is coming from.
Yeah, here it goes.
Yeah, that's where, because it's leaking right there.
All these are ripped.
Okay.
They just, when they stop blowing, maybe they fell back in place.
Yeah, yeah. Let me get a close up. Okay.
See, you can tell how this was maybe flopping in
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
But they fell back in this place.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't understand how the second adjuster that they sent out missed all of this. I don't get it, but whatever.
Oh, this one is ripped. Big old hole right there.
Oh, okay. Alright. I think that's good enough unless there's some different type of stuff.
No, that would cause a good leak.
Yeah, I think that's probably what's causing it. Those are broken or cracked or something, right?
Yeah, this one is broken.
It's been.
Some of these are stuck good, but some you barely touch it. You see?
Yeah.
Here, your siding is even out of place.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of that. All right, I'm getting ready to turn it off unless you think there's anything else I need to do or show or whatever. Any other different, like a different type of damage or anything.
Let me go in the lower part.
Okay.
See how easy all this picks up?
Huh. Bubble. I guess I need to go in the attic too, maybe, and video the leaks, right?
Yeah, you might run into some surprising things in the attic.
Really?
Because most of the water you can't tell right away that it's leaking because it'll soak in your insulation.
Okay.
I think that's about it.
Certainly when it's raining, I'll be able to catch it, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to flip this off unless you think I need to video anything else.
No, I think that's it.
Okay, thanks.